Hey everyone, in this video I will show you guys how to assemble the REC Gearbox, in particular this 24:1 version. We also have the 6:1 and 36:1 ratio available. For this demonstration I use this 555 motor, but the REC Gearbox also accepts the 755 motors. Everything we must do previously is drill this boss hole to 50 millimeters or 70 millimeters, depending on the motor you guys have. The motor plate already have the pattern for these 755 motors. So let's start. The first thing we must do is to insert. So I'm forgetting this. Obviously, this gearbox also accepts brushless motors with main 3 millimeters or 50 millimeters shafts, and with a maximum input speed of 25,000 RPMs. So the first thing we must do is to insert the ring gear in these slots, and then put the 18 teeth gears in the first stage. So in this demonstration I want to graze the gearbox inside, but it's intended to be grazed. So then we insert the plate, the intermediate plate, in the gearbox. Everything is running. So, and then we will insert the 15 teeth gears in the second stage of the gearbox. Again, check if everything is running, so we can move to the next step. And in the next step we will mount the motor in the motor plate. Just make sure that the holes is aligned with the motor plate, and then use the 2.5 millimeters X key to bolt this bolt and here. I recommend to third lock these two bolts for better, for a stronger connection between the motor and the motor plate. So in the next step we will put the motor, mount the motor assembly, the motor with the previous mounted gearbox, and then we will use these 4 M4 bolts to assemble, to finish the gearbox. So then we will mount this 4 more bolts. We also could use cordless drills to increase the speed of this part of video, but I will prefer show you guys by hand, a hand assembly. So we also put this here. So to make sure that everything is running freely, I will use this wheel to run the gearbox. We can hear the gears inside, but this is because this isn't greased, and even knowing that this gearbox is based in a cordless drill, this is a very strong gearbox, very resistant gearbox for a lot of situations, and so here we have the gearbox finished.